Hi guys, my name is Nihal. I'm in 6th grade and I'm in Woodrow Middle School. So, today we're going to be talking about stars. But before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want more videos. So let's get started! So let's get started with the facts. The first fact is stars are seen by a tiny dot. Stars are seen by a tiny dot because the main reason is that they're really far away. So that's why. But if you're so close to them, they can be really much bigger than you thought. So pretend you're on another planet, the sun is so far away. If you lived on Pluto, which is not even possible, the sun would be super far away because it would be seen as a tiny dot because it's really far away. But now the sun is seen really big because it's 1 astronomical unit from us, which is it's only 93 million miles from us, so that's why it's super close to us. So yeah. But farther stars can be seen as a tiny dot. Look up in your night sky and then tell me if you can see those. The next one is stars run on hydrogen and helium. You know hydrogen and helium, right? Those gases that are put in, say, balloons. You know the helium balloons fly and the hydrogen ones fall down? Like that, stars use hydrogen and helium as their fuel. And also, I forgot to tell you this fact. It's actually it's weird but true. Let's get into this as math lesson. Math time! Our sun has 2 octillion tons of fuel. Octillion, oh, by the way, 1 octillion is one, and then there are 30 zeros like that. That's 1 octillion. Oh my god. I'm not going to write 30 zeros like that. It's super hard. So, it will take me a long time to do that. So our sun has 2 octillion tons of fuel, and it is using more than 100 million tons of it every second. You may think that the sun will run out of fuel in like a million years, but it's not true. A sun will run out of fuel in 5 billion years. Super surprising. Now, because he has 2 octillion tons of fuel, right guys? So that's great. In total. So, the next fact is our nearest star is the our nearest star is the Alpha Centauri system. I meant our nearest stars because there are 3 stars in the system: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Alpha Centauri C. Alpha Centauri C can be named as Proxima Centauri and is a faint red dwarf. But all the other 2 stars are really massive. So now, let's move on. Stars can explode into 2 different kinds of explosions. Sorry guys, I'm taking so long. I'll speed up. So stars can explode into 2 different kinds of explosions: a supernova or a hypernova. That happens when stars are really massive. But small stars collapse into a white dwarf, like our sun. Our sun will just collapse into a white dwarf. It's so good. But medium-sized stars explode into small supernovas. But big stars explode into supernovas and a hypernova, depending on how much mass the star has. If the star has a very low mass, it will explode into a small supernova. But if it has a lot of mass, it will explode into a supernova. But a hypernova is when a supernova is 2 times more bigger and more dangerous. That's when it's called a hypernova. It's more dangerous and more bright and more, yeah. That happens to stars which have a lot of mass. but small stars, no. So the next fact is our biggest star in the universe is UY. Oh my gosh. The biggest star in the whole universe is UY Scuti, which is near the center of the galaxy, and it's more than 5,000 light years away. It's near the supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, and it is located in the constellation Scutum. So, Scutum, I was ready. Scutum, that's the constellation it's located in. So now, the next fact is, a few more facts before we end this video. The next fact is that Alpha Centauri is located 4.3 light years away. So this is our last fact, and we're going to be explaining about what a light year is before ending this video here. So let's talk about that right here. A light year, right here. A light year is a year of how much time it takes for light to reach to the star. That means if you travel at the speed of light, and if you wanted to reach Alpha Centauri, which is located in the constellation Centaurus, you would need to travel 4.3 light years to the star. Only if you traveled at the speed of light, which is not even possible. But so I'll explain it again. A light year is how many years it would take. Light year is a year that how much it would take for light to reach the star. So 4.3 light years away is Alpha Centauri, and it takes 4.3 light years for light to reach the star. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you all next time for